Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to do my updated base makeup routine. So let's get started. Okay, for primer I'm using Miss Rose base primer. This is a silicone based primer. It feels silky. This gives you a soft focus finish to your skin. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 220. I'm using this foundation because this blends so easily and it gives you airbrush finish. I'm using Beauty Blender to blend it out. You can use any brush or sponge to blend it out. Also, this foundation is so beautiful. It looks so flawless on your skin tone. If you have dry skin, I definitely recommend to use this because this is a dewy base foundation. Okay guys, next for my concealer, I'm using Miss Rose concealer in shade 03. It is a natural shade, perfect for concealing. You can get lighter shade if you want to highlight. Concealer is one of the most natural finished concealer I tried. Also, it has medium coverage. Next, to bronze my face, I'm using Beautyfab by Amna Tan Bond. This is a very lightweight bronzer. It just gives a soft definition to your face. Also, this is my go-to bronzer for natural looks. I'm using brush to apply this, and to blend it out, I'm using Beauty Blender. For my blush, I'm using Lisha's Stick Blush On. It's dual and it's stick. It has soft built-in brush on one side. I'm using shade Mauve. This blush is highly pigmented and I just love the color. For setting my face, I'm using Beautyfab by Amna Radiant Powder. I'm not going to set my whole face, just the under eyes and center of my face. For my eyes, I'm using a brown eyeshadow. I'm applying it very close to my upper lash line and smudging it out. And the leftover on the brush goes under my eyes. For defining my brows, I'm using Miss Rose brow pencil in shade brown. I'm just going to define my natural shape. I'm going to apply mascara and use the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. It's a waterproof mascara, so it's not easy to remove with micellar water. Only use cleansing oil or balm to remove this. Next, I'm using Lisha's lip gloss in shade Berry. This lip gloss is very shiny and glossy, and also it is a very pigmented gloss. If you want a full review on these lip glosses, let me know on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram account and you can send me a message. And finally, I'm using setting spray. This is Essence Cosmetic Fix and Last Matte Finish Setting Spray. It isn't very mattifying, but it blends all the layers on my face and has a very natural finish. So this is the finished look, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.